everybody, today is June 10th, 2013. It was Apple's WWDC big announcement today, and I'll just dive right in. So they started with OS X and all its new improvements, new features and all that. The new version of OS X is going to be called OS X Mavericks. Mavericks is apparently a famous beach in California. So the Finder app has tabs now. You can easily drag and drop or copy and paste files from one part of your computer to the other using the Finder window with tabs. You can tag files now, which is really handy. Multiple display usage enhancement, especially for full screen apps. Now when you have a full screen app, you can use more than one monitor. It won't be all, dark black. You can pan spaces independently in each screen. A TV that's connected to the Apple TV, it can also be used as an external screen using AirPlay. Safari has changed. There's a total new user interface for Safari. A brand new top site where all bookmarks are stored. Reading list feature is added to the home page. It's a snazzy reader. You can jump from one story to another without touching the mouse. There's a feature called App Nap, which improves the Mac's memory management and battery life. There's a new feature called iCloud Keychain. Passwords are synced to iCloud accounts. You have a Facebook password, you have any other website's password you can think of. It's synced to your iCloud account. It uses a 256-bit AES encryption, and it syncs the passwords to all your devices from Apple. Notifications on the Mac has changed. You can react to notifications right within the notification that appears on the top right corner of your screen. OS X App Store will update apps automatically now in the background, so you don't need to go and check for updates. New modern calendar design. Maps has been added to the Mac, so now you can send map directions to your iPhone from your Mac. iBooks is coming to the Mac, which includes all 1.8 million books, textbooks, and it also has a place to take notes. OS X Mavericks developer preview is available today, and it will be released for everyone else this coming fall. MacBook Air got some upgrades. It has an all-day battery life with a Haswell chip. The 11-inch goes from 5 hours to 9 hours of battery life. The 13-inch goes from 7 hours to 12 hours of battery life. They will both have faster Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, which is 3 times faster. The 11-inch price-wise will start from $999. The 13-inch will start from $1,099. Mac Pro for all you video enthusiasts, graphic designers. Mac Pro was sneak peeked. It will have double the CPU performance of the last Mac Pro, double the performance of the last generation's RAM, flash storage, PCIe based, 1.25 gigabits per second reads, and 1.0 gigabits per second writes, Thunderbolt 2. It can support 6 devices per bolt on the Thunderbolt 2. It has a workstation GPU, which is up to 2.5 times faster than the last generation. It will have a 384-bit memory bus, 528 gigabits per second total bandwidth, and it supports 4K displays. It has a total new look and design to it. It looks like a black cylinder-shaped desktop tower. It's very cool, very sleek looking, and it's like 1/3 of the size of the previous Mac Pro, which was the cheese grater design. They introduced iWorks in iCloud, which is basically all the iWorks apps on the iCloud, on the web. You can use them through the browser on your PC or on your Mac. You can create documents on the Mac and you can modify them on the PC, I believe. The preview is available today and the product will be available later this year. So, iOS, holy freaking cow, jaw dropped wide open. I kind of expected big changes, but wow. So a totally redesigned UI, major redesign since iOS's inception back in 2007. I'll give you some of what I could jot down. It was too much information. Everything has changed. There's a lot of screenshots. Some of the things that I jotted down. Folders now have pages in them. Notifications Center now has a today view and an all view and a missed view. There's something called the Control Center. You swipe up from the bottom and you have one-click access to settings such as airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, volume, music playback, and of course a flashlight. Multitasking for all apps with great battery life. Apps you use the most get recognized by iOS 7 and are given more background cycles. And there's opportunistic updates, which means whenever your device is unlocked or you have a strong Wi-Fi and cell signal, then you'll get updates. There's a new Safari for iOS. It goes full screen, bunch of new features, tons of new features, really cool. AirDrop is now available on iOS in the share options. The camera app is totally different now. You swipe to change your cameras. Swipe to video, swipe to photo, swipe to square camera, swipe to panorama camera. There's filters built in. There's a new Photos app, a bunch of new features. Too much for me to even jot down. Siri has been updated. Totally new interface, all new voice. It's more human sounding. There's a male and female option now. New features include play last voicemail, toggle settings, access Wikipedia through Siri. The App Store on iOS updates is all gone. So it automatically updates apps in the background. And there's a feature called Apps Near Me. It finds your location wherever you are. It gives you apps based on your location. iTunes Radio, which was the iRadio everybody was talking about. It's built into the music app. Featured stations shows music trending on Twitter. You can share station with friends. You can create your own stations. You can, it's built into all Apple devices, including the Mac and also the iTunes on PC. And Apple TV. It's free with ads and $25 a year without ads. Some features they didn't have time to talk about includes FaceTime audio call. So if you don't want to be on video, you can just call somebody via FaceTime for audio high quality calls. Preview of iOS 7 is available on the iPhone right now, on the iPad later this week for developers, and for everybody else it's available generally this fall. iOS 7 will be able to run on iPhone 4 and later, iPad 2 and later, the iPad mini and the iPod Touch 5th generation. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/DGtronic. Subscribe to this YouTube channel at youtube.com/DGtronic. Leave me comments, give me suggestions. All that good stuff. I will see you in the next video.